Hello, my name is Wyndham Lucas and I'm going to be showing you different techniques and different methods of how to use tools for DIY. Today I'm going to show you how to use quick release clamps. Okay. There are various different types of quick release clamps on the market, big, small, but today's for demonstration I'm going to use a medium-sized quick release clamp. You generally buy them in pairs, so today I'm now going to demonstrate how to use this quick release clamp. Okay, now to tighten the clamp we have this trigger here, and what we do is we pull it towards us and that will tighten the quick release clamp like so. To untighten the quick release clamp we pull the other trigger towards us like that, and that releases the quick release clamp. Exactly the same with the other. Again, to tighten the clamp, press the trigger towards us. To release the clamp, we pull the other trigger towards us and pull accordingly. Now what I'm going to show you is how to clamp this piece of wood to this workbench using these quick release clamps. Place the wood on the workbench like so. Getting your quick release clamp, place it over the piece of wood and underneath the workbench, and grip the trigger, put it towards us. As you can see, that's secured the piece of wood to the workbench. Take the other clamp, do exactly the same. Now, quick release, here it goes. Quick release, the reason it's called quick release is we pull the other trigger, which releases the clamp. Again, like so, pull the other trigger, releases the clamp, like so. Wood off the workbench. Today I've shown you how to use a quick release clamp. I hope you found today helpful on the different techniques and methods of using certain tools for different DIY projects. If you'd like more information, please visit my website.